One day, Scout was visiting Dr. Vicky's geology lab. Dr. Vicky was not her normal self. She looked concerned as she was examining the Earth. She explained to Scout that the Earth was in chaos, volcanoes erupting, earthquakes ripping the land apart, and continents drifting dangerously fast. Dr. Vicky explained that an evil villain named Chaos had traveled back in time and was changing how the Earth was formed. Dr. Vicky placed a glowing artifact, the Chrono Compass, into Scout's hands and asked that she use it to travel back in time and restore balance to the planet. Scout bravely gripped the compass and pressed its central dial. A shimmering portal opened, and with a deep breath, Scout stepped through, ready to face Chaos and fix what had gone wrong. Scout stepped into a fiery world of chaos. Volcanoes erupted wildly, spewing ash and lava as the ground trembled beneath her. The Chrono Compass pulsed, guiding Scout to the heart of fire, where chaos had blocked the volcanic flow. Dodging blasts of molten rock, Scout cleared the blockage, restoring the natural rhythm of eruptions. The volcanoes calmed, forming Earth's rocky crust as they should. Before Scout could rest, the Chrono Compass glowed again, signaling another imbalance. Bracing herself, Scout activated the portal and stepped through. Scout arrived in a trembling landscape where earthquakes tore the ground apart, creating jagged cliffs and deep chasms. The Chrono Compass revealed Chaos's interference. Earth's tectonic plates were colliding unnaturally. Using the compass, Scout carefully released the pressure along the fault line, allowing the plates to realign. The quakes subsided, and mountains began to rise naturally. But as the ground steadied, the Chrono Compass pulsed again. Another challenge awaited. Scout stepped through the last portal and arrived on the vast green expanse of Pangaea, the supercontinent stretching endlessly. But the land was tearing apart too fast, creating deep rifts and flooding valleys. The Chrono Compass guided Scout to the fault line, causing the chaos. With precision, she stabilized the drifting continents, slowing their movement to the natural pace needed to shape oceans and land over millions of years. Suddenly, Chaos appeared, saying that Scout had undone his work, but that the Earth will never stop changing. He snarled before vanishing into the shadows. The balance was restored, but Scout knew the Earth's story was far from over. Scout stepped back into Dr. Vicky's lab, the Chrono Compass glowing triumphantly in her hands. The holographic Earth displayed its natural processes restored, volcanoes, earthquakes, and drifting continents all moving in harmony. Dr. Vicky smiled proudly as she reviewed the data. Thanks to Scout's bravery and determination, the Earth's balance had been restored. Scout gazed at the spinning globe, imagining all the forces still shaping the planet. She had faced chaos and triumphed, ensuring that the Earth's story could continue as it was meant to.